First, look at these channels. They are earning a lot of money using animated AI videos. So today we will teach you how to make one. Tools you will need. Search for YouTube video. Open Leonardo. Always set the image dimension to 16:9. Enter your prompt. It will give you 4 images. Select the one that you like. Open KREA.ai. Select Enhance and upload your file. Select 8x for best results. Then open Canva. Open Apps and search for HeyGen AI. Select HeyGen. Then press on Upload and upload your image that you downloaded from Leonardo. Then scroll down. Here you will see the option of audio. Upload your audio. Then select the image you uploaded. Scroll down and click on Generate AI Video. After waiting for a few seconds, your video will be generated. Let's see how's the video.
Have you ever noticed your mind running in endless loops? You finally get some alone time.
In the bottom right corner, you can see the watermark. To remove this, simply follow my steps.
Craving a moment of calm, but instead of peace, your thoughts spirals out of control.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, do share.